Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, I really want to thank to get me here. The most important thing, the point I want to make tonight is this, that it is extremely important. There is no correlation between Islam and terrorism. Unfortunately, through a planned campaign, Islam and terrorism have been linked, and 1.3 billion Muslims are on the back foot, on the defensive, trying to justify that Islam has nothing to do with terrorism. And what the point you need to make is this, that according to the Holy Quran, 124,000 messengers of God were sent on earth, all of them with one message. And the message was that the Almighty wanted us to be human beings rather than intelligent animals.